In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show how to make Adobe Acrobat default. First of all, open Settings, then go to Apps. Click on this Default Apps, and now scroll a little bit, then click on this Choose Default Apps by File Type. Find PDF from this list. Here's all the file types available in this list, so it's quite difficult to find out PDF by scrolling. So go to Plist, and here we can easily find PDF option, as you can see. To open a PDF by default, Microsoft Edge is selected. To change this, just click Microsoft Edge icon. From this list, all we have to do just click on the Adobe Acrobat. And that's it. Now here we can see Adobe Acrobat is default now for PDF viewing. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.